If you don't see incoming calls showing on the screen on OPPO Reno 15, here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issue. So the first thing that we can do is we can simply go to Control Center or Quick Settings, and you can check if you have Do Not Disturb mode activated. When the DND mode is on, you might not have incoming calls displayed on the screen, so when someone calls you, you will simply not see that. You can also find the DND settings by going to Settings on your phone. Then over here we need to find the sound and vibration option, and then in here we have Do Not Disturb. So of course you can make sure that it is not enabled, or if you still want to use DND mode but you want to see incoming calls, you can add exceptions over here. You can of course choose who should be added to exceptions so they can interrupt you during the DND mode. Besides that, if the DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then we can proceed to apps. Now over here in apps, we're gonna choose app management, and then in here we should be able to tap on these three dots in the upper right corner to toggle system apps. Once we see system apps, we're gonna use the search field at the top, and we can type phone. And first we're gonna start with the phone app over here. We want to force stop the app. We want to check permissions, and you want to make sure that these permissions are granted, they are allowed over here. Besides that, we can also go to notifications, and of course you want to make sure that all notifications are enabled in here, or at least most of them. You can also allow the phone app to work during the DND mode, but I guess that's just like contradicting itself, if that makes sense. And there are also some categories in here, so of course you can go to incoming calls, and usually you cannot really disable these notifications. But you probably don't want to have this notification set as silent, or you don't want to perhaps hide notification details on lock screen. And usually the ringtone or the vibration is not enabled, and that is because it is just synchronized with the main setting in here. So you want to make sure that ring and vibrate is also enabled, so that you of course have the audio clue that someone calls you. Besides that, we can also open storage usage, and we want to clear data of this app. After that, we're gonna go back. We want to go to phone call / SMS storage, and in here open the storage usage, and you want to clear cache or data if you can. Then we're gonna go to the phone services option, and in here go to the storage usage, and you want to clear data as well, or clear cache of course. And after that, we can switch the search field from phone to call, and you should be able to find call management. And in here go to the storage usage as well, and you want to clear data or cache if you cannot clear data. Alright, so now once we are done with everything over here, we can restart your phone. So you want to probably use the power button and volume up button at the same time to open the power menu, and you want to restart your device. And also you want to open the phone app so that at least we know it is running somewhere in the background. And you may notice that the appearance, the design of the app is now slightly different. This is like the older style of this app, and right now we are using the newer one. So you don't have to worry about the style or the design of this app. It still should work just fine, and the design should revert to the newer one after some time. It's gonna be updated shortly after that, so you just have to wait for that. But generally speaking, the app should work completely fine. So now you can see if you can see incoming calls. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.